Using reliable resources effectively. Hello, Chem 361. My name is Alyssa Felcourt, and I am the Science and Math Librarian here at JMU. For your team project in this class, there are some skills and resources that I would like to share with you that will help you succeed in your team project. From this video and our activity, I hope you will learn how to choose appropriate research tools, collect context-appropriate sources, and organize and reference your sources appropriately to attribute the authors. There is a lot of information on the web when you Google a topic, but is it what you need for this project? Also, is it the most time-effective way? For example, if we search beta amylase and starch degradation in Google, we get about 696,000 results. That is a lot of results. How would you be able to sift through those results to find information you really need in an efficient manner? Many might be off topic or not related to what you're looking for at all. While some of these topics might be useful, there are better tools to use that will search in a more filtered and subject-specific way. By choosing to use these tools first, you can save yourself time, energy, and frustration. Google is great for searching everyday thoughts, but you should go to other sources first when you are working on a project. For any resources, specifically on the web, you want to evaluate the information to be sure that it is providing accurate and reliable information. You want to be sure to ask yourself, who created the resource? Who is the audience? What type of resource is it? What is its purpose? When was the resource published or last updated? Where did the information come from? Why was this resource published? And how was the information gathered and presented? By asking yourself these questions, you are able to determine if the resource is valuable for what information you are seeking. If you are not using Google, where should you go to get the information you need? There are many great resources out there, both public and paid for, that can give you the information you need to succeed in this project. The most helpful resources will be subject-specific resources that will lead you to the primary literature on this subject. Before digging into the resources, let's take a minute to talk about what primary literature is. Primary literature presents results of original research in formats such as articles, pre-publication prints or articles, technical reports, lab notebooks, and conference proceedings. It is a direct observation in which the author is who conducted the research. Much of this primary literature is found in scholarly and academic journals. These types of journals are geared towards and authored by academics and researchers in that field. Scholarly journals require references, and each paper submitted to a scholarly journal has to go through a review process that is made up of experts in the field. The purpose of these journals is to share information out to the academic community. So what are these tools that can get you to primary literature? This class you'll learn more about Google Scholar, PubMed, Protein Data Bank, Ensemble, Uniprot, and TARE. Let's start with Google Scholar. Scholar is most helpful when you already know the title and/or authors of the article that you want to find. When on campus and connected to JMU Wi-Fi, you will be able to link right to the articles that are part of the JMU Library's databases. Google Scholar, like Google, does not have the ability to focus on your search by subject areas or filter your results. So while it is a quick way to find an article you already know about, it is not the best tool to use when you want to search a topic. PubMed is made up of 28 million citations for biomedical literature from Medline, life science journals, and online books. PubMed citations and abstracts include the fields of biomedicine and health, covering portions of the life sciences, behavioral sciences, chemical sciences, and bioengineering. PubMed also provides access to additional relevant websites and links to other molecular biology resources. PubMed is a great place to search for literature for this project. It has filters that one can add to make your search more accurate. The filters include narrowing your search by article types, publication dates, and also species. The Protein Databank is a database for the three-dimensional structural data of large biological molecules, such as proteins and nucleic acids. Along with connecting you right to the literature about large biological molecules, it provides great graphics of the structures that will be useful for this project. The last resource I am going to show you for finding information is UniProt. UniProt is a high-quality and freely accessible resource of protein sequence and functional information. There is a search area on the database that allows you to search right through the literature very easily. This next resource is called TARE, the Arabidopsis Information Resource. It maintains a database of genetic and molecular biology data for the model higher plant Arabidopsis. Data available from TARE includes a complete genome sequence along with the gene structure, gene product information, gene expression, DNA and seed stocks, genome map, genetic and physical markers, publications, and information about the Arabidopsis research community. The last resource is Brenda, a comprehensive enzyme information system. This is a free database containing information on over 6,500 enzymes, such as nomenclature, EC and registry numbers, reaction, inhibitors, structure, isolation, literature references, and more. These subject-specific resources will make your search process go much smoother. They will allow you to find information easier that's more relevant to what you're looking for. If you have any questions about how to use any of these, please feel free to reach out. One hint that I can give you is follow the references on the sources that you find that are related to what you are looking for to put the information puzzle together. Also, if there is ever a piece of literature that you do not have access to and it is asking for you to purchase it, do not purchase. JMU has a service, Interlibrary Loan, which you are able to put in a request for a resource that is not available through our library. We are able to receive an article for you, and usually it will be sent to your email through PDF form within 24 to 36 hours. If you are not having any luck with your search, try some different keywords, or try to broaden your search for more results. If you limit yourself too little, you might not get the results you want, but also, if you have too much, you won't be able to find the information that is fully relevant to your project. If you're still stuck, do not be afraid to ask for help. I am easily available through email if you need someone to help you through the research process. I also have office hours that you can schedule with me and we can meet in person. I have explained how to choose appropriate tools to use for this project, and I have also Zotero is a tool that you can use to store and organize your sources, save and share articles found in your notes with collaborators, build citations to use in your final bibliography. You will be connecting a Zotero library to the OSF webpage that you will be building. I have explained how to choose appropriate tools to use for this project, and I have also provided a quick overview of the resources you should use. In these resources, you will be collecting a lot of sources, and as a group, you will want to be able to share your findings. We will be using Zotero in class for the activity. If you want to ahead of time, set up a Zotero account. I have explained how to choose appropriate. I hope this overview will help you succeed in your research project this semester. Remember, subject-specific searches can save you time. Use the databases I have shown you to search for this project. Search smart. Also, organize your literature at the beginning, for it will make your life easier. I have explained how to choose appropriate tools to use for this project, and I have also provided a quick overview of the resources. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please email me. I am happy to help. Resources you should use. In these resources, you will be collecting a lot of sources, and as a group, you will want to be able to share your findings by the end of the term. And don't forget to ask for help if you need any. Tools to use for this project, and I have also provided a quick overview of the resources you should use. In these resources, you will be collecting a lot of sources, and as a group, you will want to be able to share your findings in a way that will make your project easier. A way to do this is by using a citation management tool like Zotero. If you have any issues, please contact me. Things in a way that will make your project easier. A way to do this is by using a citation management tool like Zotero. For this project. By using this tool from the beginning, you can complete this step while working on your project. I have included a short tutorial and PDFs to instruct how to install Zotero and basic functions of the programs. Provided a quick overview of the resources you should use. In these resources, you will be collecting a lot of sources, and as a group, you will want to be able to share your findings in a way that will make your project easier. A way to do this is by using a citation management tool like Zotero.